Hi, in this video tutorial I will demonstrate how to use PicoJump to access any device from the public internet. My device is a normal Raspberry Pi running the default Raspberry Linux operating system. Your device could be any type of hardware running a modern Debian-based Linux distribution such as Ubuntu, Kubuntu, Raspberry, Debian itself, Mint, and so on. You will need root access on your device to install PicoJump. I'm going to SSH into my Raspberry Pi's terminal from my laptop. If your device has a desktop, simply open a root terminal. On the PicoJump Management Hub website, we will now add a jump. Enter a descriptive name for this jump, Raspberry Pi at home, and it's SSH access for me, and save. To get my Raspberry Pi on board, I'll cut and paste the install command into its terminal and execute by pressing enter. PicoJump is now allocating my Raspberry Pi a unique static place on the internet. I will then be able to use that to access my Pi from anywhere in the world. Installation complete. Great. Finished. Now let's use this jump to log into my Raspberry Pi over the internet. This could be from anywhere in the world. I know my Raspberry Pi's SSH fingerprint is this 0Charlie6 one, so I'll accept it. This ensures that even though I'm going through a PicoJump server to my Raspberry Pi, PicoJump themselves can never access my SSH communications. Brilliant! We've logged into a normal SSH session. To conclude, I've now demonstrated how to configure a jump to get SSH access to my home device from anywhere in the world. Thanks for your time.